In conclusion, we've now walked through several commands inside of HTML in an HTML page, and you now know how to manipulate text as well as manage your folders. We've created iframes and we've changed colors. And as stated earlier, you'll now recognize when you see HTML code, and in many cases, you'll be able to figure out exactly what's happening. So what you'll want to do now is you'll want to take the opportunity to work through practical examples with sales pages, third-party applications, and buy buttons. You can also look within the many opportunities afforded you within WordPress to understand more about how the code works practically inside of websites and other builders. And of course, you should now be confident enough to make your own changes and your own edits. That's whether or not you're working with images, headings, or paragraph text. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you either in another video or in another course.